Hi, welcome back to the programming tutorial. In this video, we continue how to catch the value of the button that we have made. In previous video, I have shown you how to make array button depend on database record. Please see the previous video if you haven't followed this module. Well, I create more record and see the button. Black label, JW, group, whiskey, and sell price 1,200,000 unit battle. Okay, you see that? Then see the record. Okay, now I will show you how to catch or how to get the button name when you click one. Okay, go to the view code. Create one private sub. I give the name menu method. By file, sender as system, object by file, as system, okay. Now declare the button as button. Sheet type sender button, and then I will put the button name in the text box, product name, txt name text as button text. Okay, now you only need to write add handler new button. When you click this button, address of menu method. Okay, let's try. Okay, you get the name. You see that? Okay, now I will make the call to complete the data field. Okay, make a private sub. Open the connection first. Create a command, select from table name, where product name, execute query. Now I need to format the sell price, reader, product price, then put your own format. To string. Okay, close your connection, close your reader, and then put here call menu click. Okay, I will make a more complete group and unit. Okay, that's how to call the array button and get the value. Please develop it by your own way. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this channel, if you find this useful, and thank you very much.